Hello, CNC crew. Mr. Pratt here with your Wednesday, April 14th asynchronous agenda. Of course, we still have open labs available for those of you that are interested in coming in and working in the shop, getting a head start on your final project ideas as we continue on with fourth marking period here. For all of you, the week 12 participation is going to be due today. That would be your digital notebook link. So I'm looking for posts for Thursday and Friday of last week, as well as Monday, Tuesday, and of course today as well, for 25 points. For those of you that are not coming in to work in the shop for the open lab time, remember digital notebooks are also due for you. In addition to that, you have what's called a final project decision matrix. So we've been spending about a week or so working on your final project idea. And today is a time for you to kind of take those designs that you come up with and really figure out which one's going to meet the criteria and constraints that I've set for you. And so if you think about, what are the criteria and constraints, of course, there's some that, are very familiar to all of us, like the amount of material that you have, the time that you have in order to complete the project, but also the machines that you must use, including the CNC and the laser. But that's not all. Each project in itself will have its own constraints or criteria that it must meet. And that's based on what you're deciding to create for your project. So today what I'd like you to do is complete the final project decision matrix. This is a Google Doc that I have created for you in order to rank your different designs for your final project. So you're required to have 3 different sketches. From those 3 different sketch variations, I'd like you to go ahead and rank those to figure out which one is going to meet the criteria and be the best design possible. So in order to understand the Google Doc, please make sure you read through the directions first. There is an example attached to the template that I've created for you. There's 2 different tabs. When you are done, you're going to submit the Google Doc. And this will make a copy for you. So when you go to submit, it's a new version of the Google Doc, or this, I should say, the spreadsheet that I've created. And in that way, you're submitting a new version. So when you go to submit, or when you are working through this, keep in mind that the ranking system is 0 through 3. 0 meaning that something is somewhat important. 3 meaning that it is the most important factor or value, or whatever it is that you're rating. So you have a possibility of adding 5 different designs. Again, I asked for 3. So you'll rate those, and then the spreadsheet will automatically value which of the different designs is going to be the most important, or I'm sorry, the best design that meets all the criteria and constraints. If you have any questions about this decision matrix, feel free to reach out through Schoology message, and if we need to, we can set up a Zoom meeting. My office hours are officially from 9 to 10, so that has changed from last marking period. And I look forward to seeing your ideas and your decisions here in the Google spreadsheet. And keep this in mind that this will help you as we discuss your ideas as a class on Thursday and provide feedback for each other to help us understand what's going to give us the best goals here, or help us meet our goals and the criteria and constraints for our project. So with that said, I hope you'll have a great Wednesday, and I will see you back in class on Thursday.